listen. Of course, we can add external service from here, but since we're going to use flow to invoke this external service, why not just go to flow and do everything from flow? So, of course, every time an account is created, we said we want the account to be pushed to the other hog. Just think about it. Think about it like ERP system. You create something in ERP and you want to trigger it in Salesforce. The same thing. This is gonna be a record triggered flow, of course. So record triggered flow. Anytime account is created, account, we pick account, right? What else do we need to do? I don't want to put any condition, just create and push, right? So for this, it has to be an after save, of course, because it's you are performing in asynchronous and asynchronous access. So do this. That's it. So when the account is created, you run this and you run this. Okay, so here we are going to configure our action, and this is where we do our call out. But before you can call out, you have to pick an external service, right? So let me go back. Oh no, let's go back. Oh no. So if you already have your external service on, you can select type and come to external service, and all your external service that you have in your hog will be displayed here, right? But in our scenario, we don't have any, so we need to configure one. So let's claim it penguin external service. So we have our named credential. And that's the part that we configured from here. The part that we got from here. Okay. So we'll come back to Flow Builder. It's amazing that we are able to do all of these things without writing a single line of code. It's so sweet. So let's click on next. Invocable action. Pen in action. Okay, so method is going to be post because you want to create something in another system. And the path. So for the path, the easiest way I know is for you to come to, what's it called? Workbench. So let's go to Workbench. Yeah. You come to Workbench, and this is the path to the already predefined API that we want to hit. This is the API that will help us create this record in other hogs. Okay. So this is the path to Penguin, for example. You can do the same thing with Postman. If you're more comfortable with Postman, you collapse this. When you take a clone of platform, these are all the APIs that Salesforce has provided for us to use. So you come here, you expand REST. Okay. So yeah, that's the path. And you can use you can eat your flow from here to trigger your flow from this part too. So let's go back to our flow. I digress, sorry. Let's paste the path here. And click on next. Let's configure our JSON request. So if you are sending account, you have to send the name, right? XYZ account. Doesn't matter. Review and click on next. This is why I like to use this a lot, so I know that my API connection is LD. Next, connect. Okay, let's take item string and yeah, and save. We've configured our external service. Okay, and the next thing is to name our action. Call Penguin. That's because we can. And make sure you always give your flows description. So, and that's it. So we just need to set body. We need to pass variables basically. So here we create a new resource and say request body, right? RDQ body, and it's apex defined and done. Okay, and done. So the next thing we need to do is to assign variables. So let's come here, assign. So set variables. So here oops, equal to record, right? Record that triggered the flow. Oh, come on, get out of the way. Record that triggered the flow dot name. Can name. And that's it. You can also do it the other way around. What else? What else? I don't think there's anything left. Sync account. Something like that. Save. And can ignore the warning for now. So what else do we have? We have configured this, we have specified the paths, we have done the necessary flow. Okay, so let's test the solution. So come here, debug. So we are testing the asynchronous path. So let's say this one, run, hopefully it works. Yeah, it worked. Response is true, blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, so activate. So now we come to account and refresh it. So let me create a new account. Account sync test. So let's save it. So this record should exist in Penguin now. So let's go to Penguin. This Penguin. What did I name it as? I can't save with Penguin. Let's see if it's there. That's it. I can't say I have a trigger that does this. So I can't sync with Penguin. Yeah. Voila, it's working. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. Let's see whatever it is that you can come up with these solutions. I believe this is going to be really helpful on your journey as you become a Salesforce professional. So that's it from here. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.